Good morning again. Now what I am showing you is basically in a relative cycle graph. Okay, तो ये relative cycle graph होती क्या है? I mean what exactly it is? जैसे कि यहाँ पे निफ्टी फार्मा रखा है, निफ्टी फार्मा से रिलेशन में ये वीकली आउटलुक पे, यानी कि ऑल दीज ट्रेंड डायरेक्शंस आर ऑन द वीकली, दे आर नॉट ऑन द डेली. ठीक है, ये वीकली पे है. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. एक मिनट, लेट मी टेक द पिकअप द टूल. ओके, okay, I'll just use this is on weekly. Okay, one second. Okay, sorry for that. And see, this is on weekly. So I have put up all the stocks here, which are basically explaining whether what they are performing. This is underperforming, this is underperforming, this is accelerating, decelerating. So what happens is when you want to make an analysis and say for instance that you want to sell something, and which one you would sell. See, first is recovering. Whichever comes to the recovery, Abato is right now is under the recovery status. Suppose if it starts decelerating or it starts underperformance, so Abato is the best candidate for a selling. Okay, and if you look on the buying side, Wakad have been very from May 25, it has been accelerating like anything. So it has already outperformed the market. Okay, and if you see Perimal Pharma, it has come and then it has paused here. It has gone flat and then it started decelerating. So whenever the direction is down, that what is written here? You can see it is a deceleration. So it is coming towards a deceleration. This is an acceleration. This is in a recovery phase. So this is an underperformance phase. Okay. So those phases have been put here. And now Orchid Pharma. Now the second thing is that Sun Pharma is from underperformance. It is trying to cross acceleration. It is trying to cross the acceleration. There is a matrix behind it, that calculation is done. So once it starts crossing this, you can look for a buying if the setup comes perfect. Okay, then I'll come to this Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy is flat right now. It is underperforming and it is flat. And if you can see JB Chemicals, it from underperformance it went to the deceleration and then it went flat. So I am on the Lupin. Lupin, it started underperformance, then it went flat here. So from here, Arvindo, from deceleration, it went directly to the acceleration, but it is still not green. Now all here are green, right? So why it is still not green? It need to confirm some of the parameters. It is strength parameters. The strength momentum is 102. The strength trend is 114. So there is still a gap. So we need to confirm whether the Arvinda Pharma will start accelerating or not. So in order to see that, in order to understand that, so let us come to a conclusion that Abeto is the best candidate for a short sell. Now why I am looking for a short sell is because I have to change the screen. Yes, and Abeto, where it is? Okay, it's here. Does it have a FNO? I don't know. I'll have to just check it because I really don't. No, it doesn't have a FNO. So it's this candidate is just an understanding. Okay, let's see Torrent Pharma, which is underperforming. Torrent Pharma, what are we looking at? We are looking at a very different this thing. It is underperforming. Torrent Pharma, where it is? It's So torrent pharma is flat now. So it's a flat, and the same calculation you can see here. It's a flat. It is between the two bracketed market. So it's a flat. So 1 second. Let me get this one more time. Sorry for this. And yeah. Now torrent pharma, if you see, this is flat now. Just a second. Where the torrent pharma went? Yeah, torrent pharma is flat now. Right now, it is showing flat. Okay, friend. And when I have to change the screen again and again, if you don't mind, please. Yeah, when you see this, because both I'm not seeing it in the same screen. So the market is flat here. Okay, so you need a very confirming decision. This is flat here. So what we are looking is, we are looking for this and then this, this and then this and this and then this. So this is the best candidate for a short sell. This is what we consider. It is still flat, underperformance. So let us come to the 45 minutes and let's observe what exactly it is doing. Why 45 minutes? Because I think 45 minutes suits best. So here is a part I really want to see. It might go up for one more time, or 1 2 3 1 2 3. So it has made it's this thing. Sorry, it's here. 1 2 3 1 2 3. So it is going to go down. Maybe, very likely it is going to go down. So what we will do is, we will go to 15 minutes and we will see how the pattern has been unfolded here. So let me use the tool here. This is 1 2 3. This is 1 2 3. So now this is impulse. Now it is making a correction over here. So once this is broken, we are getting in one more low here. Okay, and it can go down. Yes, it can go down also. Otherwise, from here we may get up to this pivot. From there we will see whether it will make a one more move up, like A, B, C. Okay, so the patterns are very complex. So you need to understand this, and you need to use the tools that support you for your better trading decisions. All right. Okay then. I'll just close this. And if you see this Loris, and if you see this gland pharma, it is now turning down towards, and that means momentum is reducing. And if you see this Cipla has recovered and then it is not accelerating. It is entering. It is coming towards a deceleration. Okay. And if you see Davies is planning for an acceleration. Okay. So all these things you must have a very clear understanding before you can go in the FNO trading. Okay. I hope I have made clear about this. Thank you very much.